In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an invisible cursor on Word. If you've ever tried to type in a Word document and realized you can't see where your cursor is, it can be really frustrating. You might still be able to type, but without that blinking line showing you where you're editing, everything becomes slower and more confusing. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a clear set of checks and settings you can adjust to bring that cursor back. First, start by opening Microsoft Word and loading any document, even a blank one. Click once inside the document where you'd normally type. Sometimes the cursor is actually there, but it's extremely thin or too light to see on your screen. Slowly tap the arrow keys on your keyboard and watch carefully for any tiny movement or flicker. If you notice the text insertion point moving slightly, that means the cursor is active, but just not visible enough. Next, let's look at Word's own settings. At the top of the screen, click on the File menu, then go down to Options. In the Options window, go to the Advanced section. Scroll until you find the area related to editing options. Here, make sure that typing replaces selected text is turned on, and that there's no unusual setting that might be hiding the insertion point. While you're here, move through the advanced options slowly, and look for anything mentioning cursor or insertion point, and make sure nothing is disabled. If things look normal in Word, we'll adjust your system cursor settings. Close the Options window, then minimize Word for a moment. On Windows, open the Control Panel or Settings app, and search for Mouse or Pointer settings. Go to the section that controls the text cursor or typing cursor. Increase the width or thickness of the text cursor, and, if available, enable any enhanced visibility options. Apply your changes, then return to Word and test again by clicking in the document and typing. If your cursor is still hard to see, check your display theme and contrast. Very light themes or high contrast modes can make the cursor blend into the page. Try switching to a different Windows theme, or in Word, change the page color temporarily to see if the cursor becomes more visible. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, try restarting Word, and if needed, restart your computer. Temporary glitches can cause the cursor to disappear, and a fresh start often resolves it. Once everything is back up, open Word again and test in a new document. Follow these steps patiently, and you should have your Word cursor visible and easy to track again.